Another Mars artifact. This is an image by the Mars rover, and I'll leave a link below for you. The cross in the circle found on the planet Mars, and it has been explained as being a screw. Well, it doesn't look like a screw to me. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely a circle with a cross in it. This is it right there, as you can see. And I'll give you a close-up of it so you can see it in more detail right here. Obviously, this does not look like a natural geological formation, and it's embedded in the rock on the surface of Mars. The planet Mars may have once been habitable as well as inhabited. Various theories suggest. Many pictures of the surface of the planet Mars have very interesting things that point to the ruins of ancient civilizations. Many curiosity hunters have from time to time spotted objects or shapes that at first glance seem to confirm that in the distant past the planet had a population of intelligent beings. However, these are delusions. In the specific case examined below, this is not the case but something else. An image from NASA's Opportunity has spotted a shape imprinted on the rock, a cross within a circle. What is the first thing that will come to mind? Something is wrong here. The second thought is that the cross in the circle brings to mind that of the Celts. In fact, the analysis of the symbol of the Celtic cross, it is important to pay attention to its center, the fixed point that all traditions have agreed to define symbolically as the pole, which makes the world revolve and is represented in general by the wheel, both between of the Celts as well as the Hindus. And the original photo is from NASA, and I'll give you the link below. Now, in fact, it's not a cross in a circle, nor for a Celtic cross. In addition, it's very small, as the organization mentions in the description it gives. Opportunity microscopic image SOL 3720. Quote, what is seen in the photo is not the Celtic cross, but the imprint of part of the Mars Opportunity rover, specifically one of the screws of one of its probes, is what they said. As can be seen in the description of the scientific instrument on the NASA website, since 1996 and the Mars Pathfinder mission, all its vehicles have had an APXS, alpha X-ray particle spectrometer. In summary, this spectrometer is used by aforementioned vehicle to measure the concentration and type of chemical compounds present in the Martian soil. This is achieved by exposing the materials to alpha particles and X-rays, which requires, at least for the type of spectrometer used on the Mars Opportunity rover, to be in direct contact with the planet's rock and soil. This explains how the shape was found and imprinted, they said. It's important to mention that in this particular spectrometer offset, cruciform type screws are used, which are used in applications that require screws with a particularly low head profile. They are not exactly cross-shaped like the simple Phillips screws, and one of their advantages is that they don't wear out as easily with use. For these reasons, they are widely used, among others, in aeronautical and aerospace technology. Therefore, it's understood that what is depicted is not a cross in a circle, Celtic or otherwise, but the impression of an offset cruciform screw of the Mars Opportunity rover on the surface of the planet Mars, taken by one of its research instruments. And this I've translated for you from a Greek article. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.